A little bit of snow on the truck up here. Woohoo! Okay, we're here on the property. I took the boards off the windows because God said let there be light. And then the wind last night blew the tarp off the roof, so we had massive leaking. So I'll get that tied down today. Get the felt paper on top installed and get that tarp down and just keep moving forward. Here's a view right here. Isn't that beautiful? Huh? Then the big window is nice because we saw deer out here this morning. There's the big picture window, man. We were just sitting in there viewing out here, saw deer come across. Nice, nice, nice. This is home. This half of the roof tarred and or felt paper put on it, and then I'm going to put the tarp back on it. I fell off this side of the roof last night, really screwed up my ankle, so now I got this side to do. If I can get turned around without falling. This is steep goddamn roof, man. I gotta do this side right here now.